Poverty means the basic
Then ma'am,
necessity which we are not having. The basic necessity like food, clothes, shelter, which we are not having, medical facilities, that all things which we are not having, we are not getting. It's called poverty. Poverty means in simple word we tell it poor. Okay. So when India became independent, our poverty line was very high. The percentage of poverty line was very high because we are under the British rule and we were paying the taxes and that all things we were doing. So we were paying double rupees to the British peoples. Okay, British people. So our poverty line was very high. People were not educated. Okay, they were illiterate. They were not knowing some how to use some things which we are using which we were using in day to day life. The people were not knowing. So our poverty rate was very high. Okay. After that, government has taken some steps. They have given BPL. BPL means what? Below poverty line. That means those who those who are those who are below poverty line, they are getting, government is giving every month them giving food to them. Some means oil and that basic necessity things, clothes, and that things are given to the people who are below poverty line. Yes, girls. Girls understood this much? Girls,
ma'am,
Delishna.
understood.
Yes, ma'am, your voice was not coming clear.
Now
Yes,
it is
yes,
clear.
we understand.
Now it is clear, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, I am telling you the basic necessities like food, clothing, shelter, which the people are not having. Okay, they can't afford that things. They can't use that things. That is called poverty. Poverty means what? In simple words, we tell it poor. Okay. When we became free, when we became independent from the British rule, our poverty line was very high. The percentage of people were very high. Our poverty rate was very high. Okay. After that, government has taken some steps. That is for BPL means below poverty line people. They are every month. Government is giving them every month. Government is giving food to them every day. Okay. They are getting um, basic necessities which we want in which we are using in day to day life. Then medical facilities have been become. Okay, 5 year plans, education is compulsory for the children. Then more and more for farmers, agriculture techniques which modern agriculture techniques are given by government to the people of who are working in farm. Okay. So our percentage of people in Gujarat living below the poverty line is 14.7%. How much percentage it is? 14.7%. Percentage of people in Gujarat living below the poverty line is 14.7%. Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Why?
rotate. Ma'am, please
Why?
rotate your screen. No.
It is rotated only, beta.
Ma'am,
You
but
can
here it
speak.
is.
You can speak properly, beta.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, it's proper.
Now it is seen properly, girls.
Yes, ma'am. It's proper.
It's proper, ma'am, but it's in horizontal.
Now it is proper.
Yes.
So, why this poverty rate is increasing day by day? Because people are not educated, they are not having jobs, because they are not employed. Okay, they are illiterate. Due to overpopulation, corruption is going on. black marketing is going on. So these are the causes we are facing poverty. Okay. So who will read?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta started.
Ma'am, from where?
Poverty.
Oh,
Ma'am, poverty not visible.
yes,
What?
ma'am.
The
Here,
What is
paragraph,
poverty topic is not there. Corruption topic is there.
yes, ma'am.
wait a second. Now it is seen clearly poverty.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
In my mobile it was only poverty topic. Why? Due to network it has been problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Start reading.
Poverty is one of the most serious problems of our country. Any situation where almost maximum people are deprived of basic necessities like food, clothes, shelter, employment, medical facilities, etc., is termed as poverty. The percentage of people in Gujarat living below the poverty line is 14.7%. On the basis of purchase value and level of income, the criteria of poverty can be decided due
Wait a
to
second, beta.
the.
How
Hello, ma'am.
poverty criteria is decided on the basis of our income.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
What happened? Wait a second. Now it is cutting.
No, ma'am, it's
No,
okay.
ma'am, now it's clear.
Now it's clear. Girls,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
it is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So how we can start the criteria of poverty, how we can calculate it on the basis of purchase value and level of income, means in your family how much your family is earning every year. On the basis of that we come to know the poverty criteria or poverty level. Okay. How we are calculating on the basis of income, in which how much we are earning every year. Okay. Next. Delisha, read better.
Okay, ma'am. Due to the 5-year plan in India, education and medical facilities are easily accessible to us. Moreover, industries have developed a lot and poverty graduate r- reduced due to more employment opportunities. The
So
income of people.
wait a second, better. So industries are developed. So due to that, our employment opportunities. Employment means what? Job facilities are increased. So our poverty level is going down. Okay. People are getting easily jobs. Okay. Read better, Delisha.
The income of people has increased due to technology and better techniques in agriculture.
I have told you before only that modern techniques are given to the farmers. Okay, and due to that, the income of people are increasing. They are getting more and more money. So, due to this all steps, our poverty level is getting down. Okay, people are getting proper food and everything. Okay, understood the topic poverty.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, things to know. You read, Delisha.
BPL is equal to below poverty line. The people
Okay,
do
wait.
not.
Those who are not having money for the food also, they are known as below poverty line. Okay, they are poor. They are not having money for the food, clothes, and shelter. So that people are known as BPL, below poverty line. Okay, read.
The people do not get nutritious food, reside in filthy areas, and are deprived of medical facilities. They are illiterate. Child labor is prevalent also. They said to be below poverty line.
Okay, they are, due to that, if they are not having money, they can't send their children to the school. Okay, they are child labor. Child labor means in the age at the age of 6 or 7, they are going for working. Okay, so they are known as child labor. So they are said to be, they are not getting proper medical facilities. They are not getting nutritious food which we are eating. Okay, then they are living on road. Okay, we tell it in Jhupapati, they are living, they are known as below poverty line. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the meaning of poverty? Poverty means the people, maximum people are deprived of basic necessities like food, clothes, shelter, employment, medical facility, etc. This term is poverty. Poverty means what? Those who are not getting proper food, clothing, shelter, they are not having jobs, they are not getting proper medical facilities, so they are known as poverty. So Gujarat living, the people who are living in Gujarat, the poverty line is percentage is 14.7 percentage. How we will calculate the poverty? On the basis of income. On the basis of income in our family is getting every year. On the basis of that, we can calculate poverty. Okay. So for that, what government has and medical facilities means hospital that in free of charge
Yes, ma'am.
girls. Yes or no? Yes. And more and more industries are developed, so the people are getting good jobs. More and more agriculture facilities are developed, so they can get good income on the basis of that. What is the meaning of below BPL? Means below poverty line. Those who are not having food, those who are not getting nutritious food, those who are not living in means they can't build their houses and live. They are not having money for the medical facilities. They are illiterate. They can't send their child. They can't send their son or daughter to the school. So these people are known as below poverty line. Understood this much?
Yes.
Mm.
Most important topic. Huh? Understood? Or again I have to repeat it?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, so shall we move to the next internal problem, which is corruption? The next internal problem, which is known as corruption. Okay,
Corruption.
what is the meaning of corruption? Who will tell me in simple words? I have told you when we start lecture. I have told you. I have explained you the meaning of corruption in only one word.
Means like we can say in Hindi, Rishwat.
Yes, Vishwas. Okay, and you mark it if you are having the textbook. Then you mark it most important topic.
Ma'am, what corruption or poverty?
Corruption and poverty, both of them.
Okay, ma'am.
If you can ask it like that way, in the form of give reason also the question will be asked. Okay, means it will be asked as a corruption is a black spot on the economy. In the form of that you will be asked give reason in exam. It is important for the, it is most important for the 10th standard also, this topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what's the meaning of corruption? Corruption means what? Uh, it's you have to pay something more money to get you freely. Means if you want government job, okay? For example, I am taking, if you want government job, so you pay some money to uh, the government worker, those who are working in government, you pay him some money and you get a job. It's called corruption. You have not passed the exam. If you have not passed the exam and you want government job, then you pay some money to the people of government and you get a job. It's called corruption. I will give you one incident. Okay. Understood what is corruption? Only meaning I
Yes.
have explained you. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then secondly, uh, what second thing, corruption means illegal behavior is done with someone, immoral behavior is done with the person, and for that you have paid the money. Barabar? Who is not irresponsible for that. If you want to if you want to buy something, okay, if you want to buy something and you go to that shop and that man shopkeeper is not giving and you are giving extra money and buy it, it's called black marketing. Means you are giving extra money which we are having. For example, LPG cylinder, okay, we take it. If at your home you are having one cylinder only, if you want second cylinder you are not getting on that ration card, then you go to the shop and give. If your cylinder is coming of 800 and you are paying 1000 rupees to the man, okay, who is giving you, then it's black marketing. Corruption means in Hindi we tell it a simple word, that is bhrashtachar. Means you give some money to that person and you move on. That is corruption. Understood this much, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So read the introduction topic.
Corruption. In the terms of a layman, get corruption means when we have to pay something more for such a thing which is our right to get freely. In short, the immoral and illegal behavior to enhance a person is corruption. Deceit, giving gifts to get the work done, taking bribe, etc. are some forms of corruption. It has become widespread in common life. Some people add fuel to the fire by undertaking corruption through immoral behavior, irresponsible act,
Irresponsible act.
etc. Corruption is the dark spot on the development of our nation.
Okay, so you can ask the give reason like that way also. Corruption is the dark spot, or you will be asking corruption is a black spot on the economy. Give reason why it is a black spot. So main point is that we are paying something more to the people and we are freely moving. In short, we are telling that immoral behavior or illegal behavior the person is doing, and we are giving them money, and it is corruption. Then giving gifts to the work done, taking bribe, etc. These forms are corruption. Giving people, if some people are adding fuel to the fire, then we are undertaking that immoral behavior. We are responsible for that. We are supporting that people. Then this all are the dark spot on the development of our nation. Corruption is the dark spot. Okay, understood this much?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Okay, so which are the effects? The effects means human rights are violated. If we are moving freely, then we can't move freely. We can't. We have to pay some money to that person. Then development of the nation is hindered. Hinder means what? That something we have developed, something we have done, that is delayed. Okay, it means hindered. Okay, moral values are deteriorate. Deteriorate means what? If we are progressing, okay, the process of progressing is going on, and um, that is means we are, if we are doing some progress, okay, then some people are stopping there in that things, then it is called deteriorate. Inflation means price rise. In last topic only we have learned what is the meaning of inflation, that is price rise. Trust towards law and order decreases. Means if we are trusting some people according to the laws, and these laws and orders which are decreased, they are not following some laws, this is called trust towards law and order decreases. Human development and faith decrease. Means if we are, our human development is going on and people are breaking that law, they are breaking our faith, that is the most important which we are affecting in corruption. Understood, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So read effects of corruption. Tamanna, you read
Effects
beta.
of
Okay.
Tamanna,
Ma'am, can I?
yes, start.
yes,
Effects of corruption. Corruption leads to ill effect on society. Human rights are violated. Development of the nation is hindered. Moral values deteriorate. Inflation, trust towards law and order decreases. Human development and faith decreases.
Understood which are the main points, which are the effects of corruption. Human rights are violated, development of the nation is hindered, moral values deteriorate, inflation, trust over law and order decreases, human development and faith decreases. Understood beta the meanings, girls?
Yes.
Okay, so what's corruption, you got it, and next effects you have understood this much.
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Okay, next measures.
Ma'am, Tamanna,
Yes.
government has formed certain laws since 1988 to reduce and prevent corruption. Anti-corruption bureau has been formed in the year 1964. It checks and controls corruption. It gives guidance to people regarding their practice.
Yes, so for that, some laws were formed, framed, or
Ma'am, your voice is cutting. Hello, ma'am.
now voice is coming clear,
Yes, ma'am.
girls. Okay, so some steps where government they have framed some laws in 1988 to reduce corruption, and then anti-corruption bureau was formed in 1964 to control and check the corruption. Those people who are doing the corruption, they get, means according to the law they get punishment. Okay, understood? So message was spread, that is accepting and offering bribe both are crime. Means if we are accepting the people who are doing corruption, they are taking money, who are offering that if you want government job and that person is offering you that you pay this much money and you will get it. So this accepting and offering both are crime. This message was spread by government. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay,
Yes,
girls.
yes, ma'am.
So most
Yes,
important
ma'am.
topic you have understood. If you are not understood, I will repeat it. Girls,
Ma'am, understood.
Understood.
Ma'am, understood.
other all are sleeping.
Ma'am,
Other all are
understood.
sleeping.
Understood, ma'am.
Only four. Yes, five. Then again, other girls. Other girls, unmute your mic and tell me. If you are not understood, I will explain you again. See the topic corruption. Meaning of corruption. Corruption is the dark spot on the development of our nation. Effects and measures and message which is spread. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
And the all
So
others
shall we
never
move to the
unmute
next
their
topic? That
mic.
yes.
That all others never unmute their mics. Only sometimes they unmute.
Okay. Okay. So now we will make a rule. Those who are not, those names are taken by me and they are not unmuting their mic. Then I will ask them to write 5 times. Is it okay,
Okay, ma'am.
girls?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now next topic, that is unemployment. Next topic is unemployment. What is the meaning of unemployment? Means The people who are not getting job, the people who are not getting job is known as unemployment. What is the meaning of unemployment? The people who are not getting the job is called unemployment. Understood the meaning of unemployment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's most im- means it's the most problem faced by India. Its most internal problem which is faced by India is unemployment. Okay. So now our we have modern techniques. We have some modern techniques, and the people who can't afford it, those who are not literate, okay, so they can't understand that modern techniques, so they can't get proper jobs, okay, they are some are laborers, so they can't get proper money, they can't migrate to the cities, they can live in the villages, okay, they have to live in rural area and they can't get proper job, okay, so this this is the most important factor which we are facing, okay, it's called unemployment. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Due to overpopulation our can't get proper water, they can't get proper food, they can't get proper education, so their hygiene is becoming weak due to overpopulation. They are living in slum areas, okay, child labor is increasing. Due to that, if they are not having jobs, so some people uses alcohol, mental stress, drug addiction, these all things are increasing. They are increasing. For that, government has to implement compulsory education system.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
they have.
Ma'am, your voice is
Sorry,
not clear.
what is happening today?
Ma'am, now
Now
it
it
is
is
clear.
clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I am telling you that now next who will read Modesa Foresta. Modesa Foresta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when I will tell you, you have to read it. Okay, first of all, I am explaining. So these all problems are increasing due to unemployment. Okay. So a person who is above 18 years of age and he is willing or capable to do work and they need a job is called an unemployed person. If he wants the person who is above 18 and he can do the work but he is not getting, it is called unemployed person. Understood this much better? Girls?
Yes.
Okay. Modesa, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Due to the latest technology in the scientific age, unemployment has increased a lot. For example, quality work has become more speedy. Due to the use of computers and machines have replaced the manual work done by human beings, and it has resulted in unemployment. Even the
Okay, wait. So, due to increasing qualitative work means we are working nowadays, we are working in computers. Yes. First of all, we take it of education. Everything has been happened in mobile and computer laptops. Yes or no?
Yes.
You are now not writing a
Yes.
paper in your books. You are typing the papers and sending to the teachers. So these techniques, some people are not have this. Some people don't know how to use these things, so they can't get proper job. It's the reason why they are not getting the job. Next, you read.
Even the agriculture sector in villages have acknowledged the use of machines and technology, and thus the laborers working on farmers are facing a tough time to earn their living. They have migrated towards cities in search of work. Hence, there is a
We use urbanization.
urbanization. Education has increased and expanded its horizon, but the employment opportunities have not increased at an equal rate, and so the unemployment has increased. The
Wait,
density of
wait, beta. So nowadays education is increased. If you are not educated, you can't apply for a good job, so you can't get a good money, so you can't use some basic necessity which you are using day to day life. So most important thing is education, which you are not getting properly. Okay, next.
The density of population in cities have increased, and as a result the question of water, shelter, transport, cleanliness, health and education have cropped up due to numerous and filthy
Numerous and filthy slums.
filthy slums, the anti-social activities, child labor, drug addiction, use of alcohol, mental stress, etc. has
So
increased.
we
Those
wait
who
wait due to slum areas are increased. Antisocial activities are also increasing. Child laborer means the child has to go at the age of 6 to 7. They start going for working. Drug addiction. Some are getting addicted. They are taking some drugs, alcohol. Mental stress means stress is increasing. How I will get money? How I will go for a work? Why I am not having a work? These all things are increased. Okay.
those who
Next.
are above the age of 18 years and are jobless come under the category of unemployment person.
So those who are above 18, those who are above 18 and they are not having a job, if they are capable and they are not having a work, so they are known as unemployed person. So I question will be asked, what is right? So
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
hello, ma'am.
not coming.
you can write it like that.
Your voice is
They are
again and again cutting.
hit, but under
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your
your
all.
voice
voice
is
is
not
not coming.
coming. Hello, ma'am.
Now it is clear, Vita.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, now it's clear.
So next we will read it. Measures. Which are the measures taken by the government? Mode sir, read Vita.
Yes.
Mode sir.
For the yes, ma'am. For the solution of this problem, many voluntary institutions are working, and government has put forward plans and policies that have been implemented, like a special residence plan, free education, pure drinking water, cleanliness, medical mobile van service, cottage industries, and motivation of handicraft industry. Loan facility is available for cottage and handicraft industry by providing nutrition food, which is the primary need. The government is trying to improve the situation in plus areas.
Okay. So which are the steps taken by the government? They are giving free education. We have seen in illiteracy topic also. Free education is given. Special residence plans is given. Plan is given. Here, some yojana is developed and they are getting home in some low rate. You are knowing
Yes.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
Then cleanliness, medical van means one 108 we tell it that free medical van we are getting, loans facilities available. Okay, and most important thing that is nutritious food is given to the primary level people. Understood this much? Who are living in slum areas, they are getting in free of cost food. Okay, understood this much better?
Yes.
So any doubt related to this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sakina?
No, ma'am.